Okay guys, welcome to the channel and another episode, and today what we're going to be doing is reviewing a couple of home chargers. So we've been promising for a long time that we were going to get our hands on the charger, we were going to select one, and well, we've got two here, so there's going to be a selection process for sure. And we're still a week or so away from actually getting these installed, but I thought, let me open these up, let me show you them, let me tell you a little bit about them, and we'll see what you guys think. So also in today's video we had a wedding in central London. In this video we're going to include that and show you what we got up to, but first off, let's start with the chargers. Okay, so we have the Tesla charger here first. This is the Generation 3 charger. So as you may have seen, we had the Generation 2 Tesla charger, but I very quickly returned that back because that was a real dummy charger and they had just released to Generation 3. So we've now got this Generation 3 charger. I'm going to open it up and show you, but it's a fantastic glass finish. So it's now white, it looks fantastic. It is a smart charger, so it has Wi-Fi built into it, and it is a 7 kilowatt charger as well as a 22 kilowatt charger. So it's going to give you great options if you got, for most of us, single phase electricity supply, or if you're lucky enough, if you've got a multi-phase supply. Okay, so we're going to open this up now. Okay, here we go. Let's put it flat down, guys. Okay, and if you can see, here you go. Doesn't that look beautiful? So it's got that beautiful white finish. It looks a little bit smaller than the Generation 2, and that was a nice grey finish, but this is beautiful, don't you think? Fantastic. Okay, so great features of this is it now comes with a 7.3 meter cable. That should be enough for most people. It is a very thin cable compared to the old one, so it's a 5-core 6mm cable, so it's definitely smaller. So it's designed for a European market. So if you had a thicker cable, there's a lot more throughput allowed in the US, but I don't think practically anyone ever used that. So so it's a thinner cable. The great thing with this charger versus the other one, it's going to be much cheaper installation. So it's got built-in safety features this time, so it's catching up with some of the other options. So it's got a Type A RCD built in. It's got 6mm DC protection. So basically it means that the expensive separate Type B RCD, you're not going to require it, which was a real expensive option and one of the things that put me off the Generation 2. The only thing with this one compared to some of the other ones, and we'll talk about the Hypervolt in a second, is that it still doesn't have pen protection. So the pen fault protection, the earthing, that's not included. So that is something that you're going to have to put as a separate unit. Now this unit is £460, which is a great deal compared to some of the other ones, but guys, just be aware there is no EV grant on this, so it doesn't qualify for the grant, so you will not get any funding towards the installation. So that is a bit of a bummer towards this installation. Okay, so now we'll move to the Hypervolt. Okay, so now the Hypervolt. Now guys, I've actually narrowed it down to these two. I did look at Anderson, and you saw in the video, and I'll show you some clips on that. We also really liked the Zappy charger that we used on our last road trip. But anyway, this has got some rave reviews, great safety features, and I'm so excited to see it, and it's supposed to look fantastically cool. So let's open this up. Just got delivered today. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, check this out. Okay, this one, I think I'm gonna have to take this one out of the box to be able to show you guys. I'll try and do this one-handed. Okay. All right, so there you go. This is the Hypervolt Charger. So this is brand new, the home version 2.0. It is particularly designed for the European market. Very similar cable. This has got a 5mm cable. As you can see, the thickness is probably similar to the Tesla. And again, both of these chargers, they are tethered, which is actually fantastic, which means that basically you can keep the normal cable that you have in your car, you can keep that in the car and you don't have to take it out. So this got fantastic premium features. It is a smart charger like the Tesla. That is smart, but a lot of those capabilities are not enabled yet. But this is a smart charger. It's got a mini computer inside, so I think it's got the Pi computer inside this. But look at it, it's a beautiful white finish. It has some LEDs which look fantastic, a bit like Simran's flash. There's like a flash sign on it, which is really cool. The other thing, guys, is it has auto load management. So I know we're going to talk about the safety features in a second, but it will regulate how much electricity it's going to draw with the things that are running in your house. And again, like these both have great warranty, 3-year warranty with this one. And in terms of safety then, so this is where this one slightly exceeds the Tesla. It's got the RCD protection, so it's got the Type B, not required because it's already in here, same as the Tesla. That is a massive point, guys, because that is a huge additional installation cost to you, and it is solar compatible. So again, both of these are sort of built into the future. Great thing with this though is it's Alexa enabled, so I assume we can control it with the Alexa app. And this particular charger is a little bit more expensive. It's £679, but it does qualify for the EV grant, so you will get a contribution towards the installation of £300, which is a great plus. Okay, so guys, great choices here. I think these two probably are one of the best on the marketplace. These are great alternatives. You have the Zappi, and you have the more expensive Anderson. The Zappi, we had it's a really great option if you want to get that. And again, I will put on the screen how much that Zappi costs, and it also qualifies for the grant. We used it, we had an untethered one, so we had to get the cable. But I think, if you're running it as a business and you're renting out your property, then an untethered probably makes a lot of sense. So the Zappi charger, that's a good alternative. The Anderson looks fantastic. It looks absolutely amazing. It was on my short list. It is a premium price compared to this one, so it is over £1,000. It does qualify for the grant, and you get so many different finishes to match your house. So if you're that way inclined and you want something that looks the best, Anderson is going to be the one that you're going to prefer. But the Hypervolt looks absolutely amazing from the pictures. I know it's a bit hard to tell here, but once we get it in front of a wall, you'll see that this is a very nice charger. It also has the wraparound, so you can put the cable nice and tidily away. And the Tesla, as you saw, the white glass finish, it is absolutely beautiful. So guys, that's it. We're going to now head off and show you the weddings that we went to. We're going to show you us going to central London. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Welcome to the channel. We are off for a bit of a road trip. We have a wedding to go to, so we're all dressed up to the T's. We have our suits on, and we're going into Holborn. So we're taking the car into Central, taking advantage of the fact that we pay no congestion charge, anything like that. And because we've got our nice clothes on, we thought, let's forget the train, we'll drive it in and we'll park at the hotel. So we're off to Holborn. So guys, we're at a wedding here in Holborn. We've got here, it's beautiful. Got a great parking space for the Tesla. Parking very close by. It was a very, very seamless journey, straight through, exempt from any congestion. So it's worked out really well. We've got our outfits on, so we didn't have to worry about the trains. But yeah, we're going to enjoy the wedding now. So we'll see you in a bit. Guys, you can see these Royal Mail, which is our mail delivery service. They've got zero emission electric vehicles. That's fantastic. But the thing is, the red one That's from 2017. I really didn't realize they had started it so early. I thought these vans were just coming out now. That's incredible. That was a fantastic wedding we went to in central London. It was great to be away from the kids, just me and the missus. We found a great parking space in central London. It worked out really well. And listen, there was no congestion charge, so it didn't cost us anything to get in. So it was a fantastic day. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the snapshots of the wedding. That classic car was amazing, and it was a great day. Alright guys, as promised, we've got a brand new car seat that we're going to try as the little one. He's getting a bit older, he's getting a bit taller. So we bought the Maxi Cozy again. We love this brand. So we've got the Morion I-Size. So it's the next one up, and we're hoping it's going to give us a little bit more room inside, right? Because at the moment everyone is a bit squashed up. Hopefully the seat is a little bit more condensed and it will give us a little bit more space. So we're going to put this in now. Okay guys, so this is an ISOFIX again, which we love. So very easy to just position this, take the lugs out. So we're going to put it exactly where we had it before. We're going to line it up with the lugs. There we go, and try and get it nice and close. And there you go. That's in. So we'll tell you what it's like with the little one. It looks definitely like we've got a lot more room than we've had before, but proof will be in the pudding. So we'll tell you what it's like. All right.
Better, more space.
We'll see how it goes. Okay guys, and that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You saw a couple of chargers. We're going to be selecting one of these to go and be installed. We're going to be videoing the installation, which is going to be absolutely fantastic. And the one that I select will be obviously here, but a good friend of mine, he will take the other one. So we will record both of them, so you'll see the installation for both of these chargers. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the wedding. We had a lot of fun going into centre. It was just the two of us, me and the missus. We had a blast. It was such a great day. Guys, that's a wrap. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, put a thumbs up so that you get notified on my future videos. And guys, if you're thinking about a Tesla, which I highly recommend, please consider using my referral code in the description to get your free supercharger 1000 miles. Okay, we'll catch you next time. A sort of a what's it called? Running.
What are you trying to say? Technical difficulties.